took a historic America 250 train ride into the 1940s. And you won't believe what was waiting for us at the end. So where are we heading?
We are doing the America 250 Buckeye Train. We're in Newark, Ohio, really early in the morning. We had a rude awakening. We overslept. And we hurried up and got over here so we can get on a train to go to Dennison, Ohio. And it's like all part of the America 250. And we got these special tickets. So we're going to take you guys along with us.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of laughter breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on.
I'm on my way to Florida, folks. I'm headed to the factory. Do you know what I'm talking about? I know you do. Max Factor, darling. I'm up for a new role, and I think this one may be the one. I said I was recently married. Thank you so much. You know, I love my husband. He is a wonderful man, much like this gentleman right here, but he gets a little melancholy, you know what I mean? Because he's got a head like a melon and a face like a collie. You know what I'm talking about. You are on a historic train today, folks. Today, we're going to sing a little patriotic ditty. It's my very, very favorite. Do y'all know the words to My Country 'Tis of Thee? We're going to sing it in the key of me. Are we ready? Key of me. All right. Me. My country 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. The upcoming presidential election in 1872. How many of you folks like to vote in our presidential elections? Yay! Ladies, I don't know why you raise your hand. We don't have the right to vote.
So glad you're out.
We got word early that Fort Sumter, the U.S. post in the center of Charleston Harbor, had been fired on by rebels. There was a mass meeting.
Time to exit. We have a little bit of a game plan.
Little.
Food trucks first.
Restroom first.
There's so much history that is part of this train thing. So much organization went behind it. It has been unbelievable how the whole train ride here, it went like that. Even though it was like, what, almost 3 hours long? It was so
feel like it was
fast.
Yeah.
We had snacks, we had the guests going through, you know, they had people like in time period going through history of Ohio and stuff.
All the Ohio
people from Ohio.
legends from Ohio, for sure. Alright, so this is really just a basic little small town festival that's going on here. They're just using America 250 to make it very patriotic, which is sweet. I love it.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah. So we had to get coffee. It is a chilly day here, actually. We've had all of our good hot days while we've been working, and then one day we get to play.
It gets cold.
It got cold. So we're just going to walk around town and see what they got to offer. All right, so we're going to check out some of the car show. There's a big car show going on for this, and we're going to go check it out. There we go.
What is that?
Family Motor Coach Association, GMC.
Name that movie.
Birchhaven Motorhome.
But name the movie. What's the movie it's from?
Name of the movie.
I don't know the name of it.
Then,
I don't remember the name of the movie because he made me watch it. But I do know there's a movie. That's it.
Stripes.
That's it.
You're allowed to go in.
Oh, are we allowed to come in? It says empty. Oh, look, Mike, there's your new clock.
Exactly, I just retired. So we just walked into this amazing GMC. We spoke with Larry, the owner of it, and he's taking it all over. He got over 200,000.
250,000 miles.
250,000 miles on
Second
this.
engine.
Yep, and he's just been everywhere. And it just goes to show you, you don't have to have brand new. You don't have to have the most expensive. But this thing is beautiful inside. It's awesome.
He thinks this is the first time it's been out since his wife passed about a month and a half ago, so.
And the funny thing is, it's got a zip-D awning on it, just like our Airstream.
Hey there, zippity-doo-dah. Semi truck that's American history. We're gonna go in and check it out. So, I tell you, we're starting to walk back into the crowd of things, but this gentleman that we just toured, Larry, we just toured his camper, it just is a really good reminder. Him and his wife traveled for many years, 250,000 miles on that van, all the national parks, everything we want to do. And you know what? They have no regrets because he went out and did it. He lost his wife a month and a half ago. And he did all the traveling. He did it before she was gone. And they did it together. But His story was just great. He got 2 of my votes though, just because of his story.
All right, so one thing this festival has done has brought out a lot of red, white, and blue outfits, to say the least, which I am totally fine with. I think it's awesome.
Yeah. Was a really long line for ice cream was just the line to order. It's actually not all that long compared to the line to wait to get your ice cream. Let's see if it's been worth the wait.
74.
Thank you.
Here they come.
So if you're wondering if the ice cream is worth it, I only took 1 bite and it's pretty good. I'd definitely be finding that again. It's up by Dover, Ohio, so it's a little haul for us. But if you're at Atwood, that'd be a great place to go get ice cream.
Philadelphia
New Philadelphia?
as well.
Oh, as well. Okay.
So what have you thought so far
Very good.
for today?
Yeah. I'm glad we got tickets. I'm glad we decided to do this.
Yeah, it's a tiny festival. It's not big.
Yeah. They
It-
said to pick 3 things, but honestly,
Yeah, we saw everything.
Yeah, unless you're really slow at walking through stuff,
Yeah.
you can see everything.
So it wasn't as busy as they said it would be. I mean,
I think it was nice. We did talk to some locals, and this is a big thing for this town.
a
They
big
don't
deal
do
for this town, yeah.
anything like this, and this has brought a lot of people to their town, visitor-wise.
All right, if
And
you are going on the train ride that is leaving at 3 o'clock,
that's us.
you're going to want to start heading towards the depot.
no, we don't
No.
want to
There will
yet.
be designated people with signs
No.
for your car that you'll need to be
So
fine with. So if you are
the thing is, this town is so small that 1,600 people just showed up on the train, and it
That's just the train.
that's just the train. Not to mention just people driving here from the state, anywhere in the state. So this town, and we talked to a lady who worked in a pizza shop. She said, yeah, yesterday was the first train. It was super busy, super steady, which made her good money. So
Yeah.
this town's seeing an influx
Yeah.
in their economy just because of the America 250 stuff that's happening here for them. And I think they got 3 months worth of these trains coming,
Yeah.
a couple times each month. So
Yeah, you guys can check those out. This was just to kick it off, and I think there was such a good response that that's why they're doing more.
yeah, and in December they have a Polar Express train that leaves from Dennison, which is a big moneymaker for them as well. So if you're interested, if you're in the Ohio area at that time, that'd be great for families to come and do that. Just take your kids and ride the Polar Express. I mean, that would be so cool.
Yeah.
All right, so they're calling us to our train, even though we don't want to leave yet. So we're going to probably mosey that way here shortly. So the guy that is on our train that's sitting across from us, we're kind of getting to know him because we're together and we're very tight together. He has a model train system in his backyard.
His whole backyard.
Whole backyard, and he opens it up a couple times a year for people to come and visit. So we may try to connect with him and see if we can't see his backyard one day. But we made it in the museum where there is like a little bit of a model area.
I don't know what size this is. I guess there's multiple sizes. I don't know anything about trains, and I don't know anything about like model sizes or anything like that. This is really cool.
In scale.
In scale. Whatever that means.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of love to breathe. Stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. I will leave it on the next street.
Told multiple times not to be late.
We're heading back.
Let's ride this train. Come on. Let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5. I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. A brand new start and a whole new part. They are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe. You know I will. Come on. Let's ride this train.
No morale. No morale.
Let's ride this train.
The dirt floor, no wooden floor. So it's about as simple a life that you can possibly have.
One of the best sharpshooters you will ever see, Annie Oakley. Thank you very much, and thank you for that applause.
I'm making my way to the snacks and the bathroom. I have to go wide angle because it's so tiny in here. It's like our bathroom. Couldn't figure out the toilet because it's like open. But anyways, I'm going to snacks. All right, here I go. Snacks accomplished.
It's been a great day here in Dennison. Just spending time with the America 250 tour of Dennison, I guess, on the train. So
Thank you to the Ohio America 250 group for putting this on. This has been wonderful.
yeah, so if you like this video, we're going to leave another one up here that you may want to watch as well. But also hit subscribe. It would help our channel out, and we'd love it so much to have you guys join us. And also remember, tomorrow is never guaranteed. So go.